एसएससी के इंग्लिश सीरीज में आप लोगों का फिर से स्वागत है। तो आज का टॉपिक है टॉप 200 वन वर्ड सब्सटीट्यूशंस। क्योंकि तुम लोग को पता है एसएससी ज़्यादातर इंग्लिश में रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन ही पूछता है, इसलिए जो सबसे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट वन वर्ड सब्सटीट्यूशंस है वो ये रहे। अ पर्सन हु विड्रॉज फ्रॉम सोसाइटी एंड लिव्स इन अ सॉलिट्यूड इज अ recluse. A speech made to oneself is called soliloquy. One who eats too much is known as a glutton. Violation of something holy or sacred is called sacrilege. One who cannot read or write is illiterate. The scientific study of birds is called ornithology. A person who lends money at high interest is a usurer. A person who denies oneself physical pleasures is an ascetic. The fear of great heights is called acrophobia. A person who supervises during an exam is called invigilator. The condition of being unable to sleep is insomnia. एमनेसिया मत माना, एमनेसिया का मतलब होता है यादाश्त खो बैठना। वर्ड्स स्पोकन इररिलेवेंटली अबाउट गॉड आर ब्लास्फेमी। वन हु ऑफर्स सर्विस विदाउट बीइंग पेड और फोर्स्ड इज वॉलंटियर। अ सिस्टम ऑफ गवर्नमेंट वेयर वन पर्सन हैज ऑल द पावर इज ऑटोक्रेसी। दैट थ्रू विच लाइट कैन नॉट पास इज कॉल्ड ओपेक, एंड दैट थ्रू विच लाइट कैन पास इज ट्रांसपेरेंट, एंड दैट थ्रू लाइट कैन पास हार्डली, यानी कि बहुत कम कम लाइट पास करता है, उसे कहते हैं ट्रांसलूसेंट। ऑफिशियस नेम यूज्ड बाय एन ऑथर इज स्यूडोनिम। अ मेडिसिन यूज्ड टू काउंटरैक्ट पॉइजन, यानी कि पॉइजन के जहर को खत्म करने वाला। जैसे कि तुमने क्रिस फिल्म देखी होगी, तो उसमें काल क्या करता है, पहले पॉइजन बनाता है, उसके बाद एंटीट्यूड बनाता है। तो एंटीट्यूड क्या करता है, वायरस को खत्म करने का काम करता है। Capable of being understood in more than one way is ambiguous. Gradual recovery of health is called convalescence. A person who is too ready to believe others is credulous, मतलब बहुत जल्दी दूसरों की बातों को मान लेता है। A publication giving astronomical and meteorological data is almanac. The vegetation of a particular region is called flora. An arrangement of flowers presented as a gift is bouquet. A person that one works with in a profession or business is colleague, यानी साथ में काम करने वाले। A person who can speak only 2 languages is bilingual. A person who renounces religious or political beliefs is called apostate. A person who makes official examination of financial accounts is an auditor. A person who studies and treats skin diseases is a dermatologist. Something that can be eaten is edible. A widespread outbreak of disease is epidemic. A person with irrational enthusiasm is fanatic. A person who escaped from captivity is fugitive. The scientific study of the earth is geology. Something that cannot be believed is incredible. One who never gets tired is indefatigable. That which can catch fire easily, बहुत जल्दी आग पकड़ लेता है, जो inflammable. That which cannot be revoked or taken back is irrevocable. The practice of giving undue favor to relatives is nepotism. खैर इसे तो तुम अच्छी तरह जानते होगे। A beginner in any job or profession is novice. The study or collection of coins is numismatics. A notice or report of someone's death is obituary. A person who always sees the brighter side of things is optimist. One who is against war and violence, यानी कि पेसिफिस्ट, गांधी जी। A person indifferent to art, music or culture is Philistine. Stealing someone else's writing or ideas is plagiarism. Rule or government by the rich is plutocracy. The scientific study of the mind is psychology. A decorative ring of flowers and leaves is wreath. One who is experienced in a profession is veteran. जैसे तुम लोग अभी पहले फ्री फायर अगर खेलते होगे तो उसमें क्या आता था कि जब जैसे फ्री फायर तुम लॉग इन करते होगे तो उसमें जो है तीन तुम्हारे पास आते होंगे पॉपअप्स। पहला जो आता होगा एफ बिगिनर, दूसरा एफ इंटरमीडिएट और तीसरा एफ वेटरन का। तो जो बहुत अच्छा खेलता है उसे कहते हैं वेटरन। फियर ऑफ हाइट्स इज एक्रोफोबिया। अ प्लेस वेयर गैम्बलिंग गेम्स आर प्लेड इज casino. A group of girls, birds or animals is baby. A large bedroom for many people in a school or institution is dormitory. A funeral procession is called a cortege. The art or technique of map making is cartography. A person trained for space flight is astronaut. A doctor who specializes in treating heart diseases is cardiologist. A person who composes dance steps यानी प्रभुदेवा नहीं choreographer. The scientific study of celestial bodies is astronomy. Animals that eat only meat is carnivorous. The study of population and its characteristics is demography. A government where people elect their representatives यानी भारत democracy. A group or list of books or graphical records is catalog. The place where aircraft are stored is hangar. A very small village is hamlet. The fear of heights is acrophobia. The study of God and religion is theology. One who is killed for their religious faith is martyr. Martyr का मतलब होता है मतलब जो देश के लिए मरते हैं, जैसे कि तुम समझ सकते हो शहीद जिसको कहते हैं। A building where dead bodies are kept before burial is mortuary. The formal act of forgiving someone is amnesty. A place where animals are killed for food is abattoir. A decorative clothing or insignia worn at official ceremonies is regalia. A person who helps others selflessly is Samaritan. An office with high salary but no responsibility is sinecure. A small souvenir or token kept as a reminder is सोवेनिर। एक मिनट, ये शायद इसका तुम देख लेना, इसका मुझे कंफर्म नहीं है एक बार। अ पर्सन स्किल्ड इन ब्यूटीफुल राइटिंग इज कैलीग्राफर. अ पर्सन वेयर डिजर्व्ड इन स्पीच इज रेटिसेंट. Someone who cannot be satisfied is insatiable. The scientific study of plants is botany. Animals and plants living in or near water, यानी पानी में या पानी के पास जो रहते हैं तो उन्हें कहते हैं aquatic. A fictitious name used by an author is pseudonym. A large bundle bound for storage is bale. A building where animals are killed for food is abattoir. A chaotic, harsh and discordant mixture of sounds is cacophony. A list of references used in a scholarly work is bibliography. Government run by officials or bureaucracy is bureaucracy. मतलब यहाँ पे लिख ही दिया पहले से, और ऑफिशियल्स के द्वारा जो चलाया जाता है उसे ब्यूरोक्रेसी कहते हैं. ब्यूरोक्रेसी मतलब नौकरशाही. An official list of all the books items in a collection is catalog. All things people of the same kind is homogeneous. The study of growing garden plants is horticulture. A large book या set of books covering all knowledge is encyclopedia. A government where one person has absolute power is autocracy. A close-fitting cover for a sword or knife is sheath. A leader who manipulates people through emotional appeal, यानी कि ममता नहीं, डेमागोग. अब ममता बनर्जी जो भी कर रही हो भाई. A decorative ring of flowers and leaves is wreath. Present everywhere at the same time, omnipresent. The study of birds is ornithology. A system of religious belief and study of God is theology. A person who sneers at others' beliefs and thinks all actions are selfish is cynic. A person whose identity is not known is anonymous. A list of items to be discussed in a meeting is agenda. ये रहे पहला सेट. अब करते हैं दूसरा सेट. तो अगला है a person who always expects bad things to happen is called pessimist. A person who helps another to commit a crime is called accomplice. A person who walks while asleep is called somnambulist, मतलब नींद में चलने की बीमारी. One who hates and avoids other people is called misanthrope. A person who collects or studies stamps is a philatelist. A person who is abnormally anxious about his health is called hypochondriac. A person who is unable to pay debts is insolvent. A person who knows and uses several languages is called polyglot. A person who walks on foot and not in a vehicle is a pedestrian. A person who collects books is called bibliophile. A person who believes in fate and that everything is predetermined is a fatalist. मतलब जो ये मतलब किस्मत में जो मानता हो और ऐसा मानता हो कि सब कुछ पहले से लिखा हुआ है. A government run by nobles or elite class is called aristocracy. A place where bees are kept is called apiary. A person who regards the whole world as his country is called cosmopolitan. Someone who freely gives money or help to people in need is a philanthropist, मतलब परोपकारी. A person who believes that laws and government are not necessary is anarchist. A person who makes and edits dictionaries is a lexicographer. A person who cannot be corrected or reformed is called incorrigible. One who collects coins is a numismatist. A person who writes his own life story is writing an autobiography. A place where arms and ammunition are stored is called arsenal. A person who is not sure about God's existence is called agnostic. A situation in which there is complete lawlessness is called anarchy. A person employed to drive a private car is called chauffeur. A person who can use both hands with equal ease is ambidextrous. यानी कि जो वायरस थे हमारे 3 इडियट्स में जो दोनों हाथों से लिख सकते थे. A person who never takes alcoholic drinks is a teetotaler. A person who is skilled in many fields is called versatile. A person who leaves his country to live in another is called emigrant. A partial or total loss of memory is called amnesia. ये मैंने बताया ना, याददाश्त खोने को amnesia कहते हैं. A situation in a country where there is no government or order is anarchy. A person who loves himself excessively is called a narcissist. मतलब खुद से कुछ ज्यादा ही self obsessed. A person who hates women is called misogynist. ये तो जानते ही होंगे, misogynist, feminist. A person who pretending to be what he is not is a hypocrite. A speech made at the end of a play is epilogue. A poem expressing sorrow for the dead is an elegy. One who walks about in sleep is a somnambulist. One who can endure pain without showing feelings is a stoic. यानी कि जो बिना अपना दर्द को जो है वो सह ले बिना ही कुछ दिखाए हुए. A person who studies human history through excavation is called an archaeologist, यानी पुरातत्ववेदा. A glass tank where fish are kept is called aquarium. A group of people traveling together across a desert is a caravan. A person who always thinks negatively about success is a pessimist. A military structure where arms are stored is called arsenal. One who is beyond reform or correction is incorrigible. A person who eats human flesh is called cannibal. A keeper or custodian of a museum is curator. A person chosen to settle disputes is an arbitrator. A person who sells and arranges cut flowers is a florist. A person with a strong desire to steal is a kleptomaniac. मतलब उसको बहुत तेज चुल मचती है कुछ भी चीज चुराने की. और इसमें मैनियाक है तो समझ सकते हो मैनियाक का मतलब पागल होता है, जो नया हनी सिंह का आया है. A plan of journey including route and places is called itinerary. The scientific study of insects is called entomology. A person who draws or makes maps is called a cartographer. A person who arranges and cares for a museum collection is called a curator. A person who collects coins is known as a numismatist. A group of stars forming a recognizable pattern is called a constellation. A sound that cannot be heard is inaudible. A person who collects and studies stamps is called a philatelist. One who does not believe in God is a theist. A place where government or historical records are kept is an archive. The study of sound is called acoustics. A person who knows everything is called omniscient. The study of human skin and its diseases is dermatology. A person who knows a lot about food, art or music is called a connoisseur. A person who avoids company and social interaction is an introvert. ये भी खैर तुम लोग सुनना ही होगी, अब आजकल रील पे चल रहा है. One who is skilled in many fields or has many talents is called versatile. A person who takes no alcohol is a teetotaler. A person who is difficult to please, यानी जिसे संतुष्ट करना बहुत मुश्किल हो, fastidious. One who believes that all events are presided by fate is a fatalist. यानी बताया ही, जो मानते हो कि सब कुछ ऊपर वाले के हाथ में है, सब कुछ पहले से लिखा हुआ है. The murder of a king is called regicide. The group of human societies and cultures is called anthropology. A person who regards the whole world as his country is cosmopolitan. One who can't make mistakes is infallible. A person who fights for money, not for a cause, is a mercenary. A person who arranges flowers and sells them is a florist. A place where fruit trees are grown is called orchard. One who is easily fooled or deceived is gullible. A person who always doubts the sincerity or goodness of others is a cynic. A scientific study of ancient human history through excavation is archaeology, यानी पुरातत्व. A book written by someone about another person's life is a biography. खुद से लिखे तो ऑटोबायोग्राफी, कोई और लिख दे तो बायोग्राफी. A person who believes in lawlessness and absence of government is anarchist. A list of events in the order they occurred is a chronology. A soldier who fights for money and not for cause is called a mercenary. A garden where fruit trees are grown is called orchard. Water that is fit to drink, यानी पीने योग्य पानी, तो potable. A person who writes and edits dictionaries is a lexicographer. A group of people gathered for worship is a congregation. A place where fish are kept in a glass tank is aquarium. A person who is all powerful is omnipotent. One who is well known for evil acts or bad reputation is notorious. A person who has a strong belief in fate is a fatalist. A person who studies the origin and development of mankind is an anthropologist. A short-lived or temporary thing is ephemeral. A person who loves books and collects them is called a bibliophile. A person who studies insects is a entomologist. A person who settles disputes between others is an arbitrator. एडवोकेट तो नहीं होगा भाई, तुम समझ सकते हो, झूठ बोलने वाला. A person who avoids alcohol completely is a teetotaler. A person who disrespects established traditions or beliefs is an iconoclast. A speech delivered without preparation is called extempore. A man with refined taste in art, food and culture is a connoisseur. A condition where law and order has completely broken down is anarchy यानी अराजकता. Causing or resulting in death is fatal. तो ये रहे हमारे 200 MCQs मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट. अब नेक्स्ट डे के लिए कोई दूसरे टॉप 200 लेकर आऊँगा. ऑलराइट, तो यहाँ हमारे MCQs कंप्लीट होते हैं. आपका जो भी स्कोर हुआ कमेंट कर दीजिए एंड मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.